Hello. In this video, we shall learn about the user dashboard features. As we are aware of the quick actions that were discussed in the previous video, let us now learn the features available on the user dashboard. With the help of user dashboard, one can raise a new incident or a service request. A user can get help from knowledge base articles from the dashboard and provide feedback to the knowledge articles if required. At the top of the screen, users can see the different tenants or departments available to them, depending on their access permissions. For example, the current screen displays 3 different tenants: IT services, HR services, and finance services, to which the user is mapped. Users can access the user dashboard of any required tenant by selecting it from the available options. It's important to note that while the features available in each tenant will be the same, the user interface for each tenant may differ based on organizational requirements and admin configurations. For instance, the user interface for IT services might look different from that of HR services or finance services. Currently, the IT services department is selected on the screen, which means that the user is currently accessing the IT services dashboard. The dashboard screen comes with features like search engine, reporting an incident, requesting for a service, and viewing a knowledge base article. In the previous video of the dashboard navigation, the topic of search engine has already been discussed. So let us now get an overview on how to create an incident or a service request. An end user can either report an incident using the Get Help option from the dashboard or choose Menu option, and from the Incident Management module, one can choose the New Incident option. Either way, the landing page is similar for an end user to report an incident. For example, let us choose Get Help option from the main screen, and we are now redirected to a page to fill in the required details to report the incident. On the New Incident page, one can view the list of recent 5 incidents that are already created, and a required one can be chosen. However, if the incident is for a different issue apart from the existing ones, user can ignore the recent list and proceed to create a new one. To create a new incident, the user chooses a tenant and fills in all the required information like the symptom, description, etc. Please note that the new incident creation form can be different for different tenants. It can be different for a different customer as well in certain cases. Once all the relevant information is filled in, end user can submit the form and an incident ID gets generated for the incident created. We shall learn about creating an incident, viewing and updating of the created incident in detail from next videos of the new incident and My Incidents. Similarly, one can create a new service request. The process would look almost similar to incident creation. However, service requests has approvals associated with it. These approvals for service request depends upon the catalogs service end user is requesting for, designation of requester, etc. To create a new service request, user can either choose the feature called Order Something from the dashboard or go to Menu, and from the Service Request Management module, one can choose New Service Request option, as the landing page of both the navigations are same. To illustrate this, selecting the Order Something feature from the dashboard will redirect the user to a New Service Request screen. This screen provides a list of catalogs based on the chosen tenant. For example, if the Information Technology tenant is selected, the available catalogs will be displayed. Once the user selects the desired category and subcategory, the Log Service Request page will be displayed with the selected information. From here, the user can enter the required details and click Submit to create a new service request. Detailed instructions on this process can be found in the New Service Request and My Service Requests videos. After obtaining an overview of the incident reporting and service request creation features available on the dashboard, the next feature to consider is the knowledge base. When selecting the knowledge base option, a list of articles will appear, allowing the user to browse and select a relevant article either from the list or by using the search engine located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on an article will bring up its content, helping the user. The screen will display the selected knowledge article. With this, we have had an overview of the dashboard features for an end user.